If his determination is anything to go by, that cat food must be really good.
Hi everyone.
So here you can see the original, and you can see that it has a lot of gaps to it. The gashapon are really great to scan because you can take all the pieces apart like you saw before, but when you put them together, a lot of times they don't fit completely together. So you can see on some of the images or the videos of me sculpting it, I worked to get rid of these gaps and rekey it to be those shapes that are easier to 3D print and fit together. But here's the test print I did at the same scale, and it turned out pretty well. But I did find out a couple of things that needed adjusted based on that. Some of the king sizing was off, And I didn't like the way that some of the gaps, especially on this arm, turned out. So I was able to take some of that and apply it to a much larger print. And here's a much larger version of it. So this was at 200% scale. And I printed it in different colors, mostly because I didn't have 2 rolls of filament in the same color. But it does give you a good idea of how things are keyed. The arms are separate, the head's separate, the body's separate, and then the base is also separate. But this is a pretty nice big print. I'm just a fan of large figurines, and they're really expensive, so you can take some of your small figurines, 3D scan them, optimize them for 3D printing, and print them a lot larger. And the added bonus of printing this in different colors, it encourages me to go back and finish it up and paint it so it looks like a proper replica. So maybe I'll do a video in the future on that.